Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TBGH so what frame me Adjoa searching. Ebusafo mama yentie owura odi Ahenkan kakra.
Governance. And near petrol air cosro no. Omze good governance so name no Iran Israel US war. In Jamano for the ben pa na mbokos where a dear ho agro.
Owura odi Ahenkan asemna na waka no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de otwentro ankasa Ghana ha ye ka enkrofo mu etwentro His Excellency John Dramani Mahama when the first obedi second na me no medaswa ebisa questions we say 2028 senyame ya adrom na yetenkwam na se abato time edu ana se NDC for ekoyomo primaries eyomo flag bearer a obedi omo anima campaign messages ben and omode be magana for. What are they going to tell Ghanaians? Are they going to tell Ghanaians that they are coming to create jobs? Almost answer normal akwenya because 4 years now John Dramani Mahama nyae no enye enough. Are they going to tell Ghanaians say licensure teachers licensure exams na omka so mo betwemi no omo buy no mo behwehwe niamem na NPP aban no de omo ye ni nti na say omo to aso na later on no omo ankasa aba betwem. Are they going to tell cocoa farmers say yes you can see about 7,000 nanso you buy world market no prices no are dropping inti na yan farmer mo nti mo sanso to my na world market no prices ne kwa apa ya sanso etu amoka. What are they going to tell Ghanaians? Na se Ghana fo ye nipa bi omo dwen na ade ye omo yawa aga I don't think say NDC party no omo be ma omo akwenya kitikiti bi sempo so omo sanso be di Ghana so because ye wa Ghana ha na campaign akese NDC fo ye yina Ghana fo hwe so koto aba edema NDC aban no nanso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bai when ya 1 year a we twa some months or 2 years jobs or cars will be create ya on creative cocoa farmers promises on this so teachers promises or the mam on this so nurses promises or the mam on this so just say us emba moto ade obebi a women's bank ye hu hwe inti mpese me bisa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and some no catch Ghana for no or ye yenden ana say o kan sensem ne say ne be o de beji tumi na oni nuanom a che Ghana sikadi and then motor private jet and then motor say and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de oni mi ya ne pad watch pad am school for a chat was aba be che bio pad no so watch sika pudro was sisa de kwato pad ni sika ketwa inti mpese bisa say me sanso bisa bio say 2024 Sam George Okujata Blakwa Felisofosu Kwache Sami Jemfi Malik Basintali Wadwato ye fene say youth no so omo adwuma but Malik Basintali was behaving as if say oye messiah oba be Ghana youth na and ye hu be omo ne name nti ye bisa question ni bio say 2024 2028 nipa mabobo mu din omo besan so abeye campaign de atre Ghana for and Ghana for asem sebe
A German su koko bono call for no matter no my 100%. But the actually my journey say Emra omuti petrol so no. Omo say a good governance. And am ati petrol so.
Indeed, Aban Papaba. As a speaker, Aban Papaba.
See the bar form no. Omo say a good governance. And near petrol air cosro no. Omo say a good governance so name momo no Iran Israel US war. In Jamano for the ben pa na mbokos where a dear ho agro.
Oh, I said some time ago a campaign monocram. Naman penny can say Ukraine Russia war and Fagana who free had more 7,000 kilometers say that by way of fire.
What's not play Muna Casa will call Ukraine who ya cry 7,000 kilometers and San Wakudru. No more common talkwa. Then I say Yesika.
Na ye nyina ntwani say it was a contributing factor and a Ghana core crisis in Jamanyofo da ben pa na mumu bi mubedi no kura ma ye man Ghana
US Israel Iran war ne de fa ye ho pa e be ha affect
na Ukraine Russia na ne ma da hwene ni pebu fo no pay
na ba yo de
na sa tuma kan ni nyina so ne say
na me na meka
Nemi anu nyina da.
Originator of that no dey ubungo.
Una wutim, to una huye mehi. Die wo ni say Ukraine and Russia war no e fa Ghana ho.
Na mfa ye ho.
Biama. Bomb to do be say.
Emfa ye ho. Bomb to ha.
Na Israel ne America wo say bomb abeto amasama yo. Bomb abeto pogwasi fitu kwan yo mu ye ya se gwagwa na se gwa na ya ngwa wie.
Wo say bomb ne ba kwa to Flagstaff house.
Utiso. Empare ya watu. So, enti ma Ghana fo mesra omaya de hyese mama ye ni na ho. Na amanyofo de ya dwe diagura che too much. Obi tibika say na Ukraine hwan wo bomb bi abeto Ghana. Agina bomb abeto ha. Ansi wan hu sunsun so.
Now, he had already done a constitutional review committee. Becca Vemewo no kahwa. And I know your lawyers need. I know more yet at the end. Guess what happened? 76% of what the constitutional review committee brought, Mahama rejected all of them. I didn't say this. Becca Vemewo, you play that audio, you type that in, you find that audio on YouTube, you find it anywhere. This is NDC. This is NDC. Yeni atra nenye nokre. Ena pontreni ewu. Ama ya starti hunu ne tentene. Enu nti wankasa wo manifesto a wo de beji tumi na you read it ra wo se debi. Che. The reason why I would always have a problem with NDC party in NSA, they carry political sentiment too far to the point, say or they say or mine that and as or they say or mine cry or mine. I didn't see America, sir. Canada na mewo. Maybe Canada na mewo 14 years. I feel September 6th. Na me di 26 years for Krumoa. Tini pa. But that I could do again. Na me di 26. 26 years pretty much in this country. And Osha Niama Krumo hafo. Eyusu. Osha Niama Krumo hafo. E di developer sebium prediasa. Womu Krumo. Emma ne kokain. Emma ne jine ye. Na eduru yen ye ho. Na ye de saade ni bi ba. Ye tumi nya yankasa Ghana fo ni bi. Ekundi tia saade ne se ye mpene ma saade we nye ho da. Eya na ye na wawa. Ebi ni ambulance. Ebi ni free healthcare. Panadium enye ho kra na me pese me deko. Enye ho and I'm person me cost 33 gra. Kromo ha me we. On to me nye bibi a winning license. Sa wo ye baba, O ye baba. Na o pese utwetre wo kromo ha. Ese se wunya ho license say o ye certified baba. Ye the tin bia brew type bia brew wa obetumi aka de wo tin bia ho. Baba, to say ye na you to me draw a haircut the nam krum ekotwitwa we ya paso we blade no krum ha ansa na be sa no na just a what license yanka say ukra sa cosmetology in terms of baba you have trained as a baba and no na ma certification ema wo baba no enuonyam ba ho nti wonya just baba keke debi we okrachi ni den baba oyuti na ohun se epobiasi ho a otumi tuufo se da bi we no metwetra usually no we ba say na tie anya se oyitre keka adi agiska egu ni botom so be teacher obeje license eno ne boa ebre bi meka joke bi wa ha se education minister be director district director CB na okun kurase ba kurase isa omo superintendent here omo ko ye ko check school money ade. They just by the by. Na teacher ni ba ko chira de watro measure MEASUER yenim say measure watro TEA esese obo na enkoda ne pronounce teacher ni mapa ho ochire ade e school mo ohu measure no se mi azure na enkoda ne so mi azure or say everybody mi azure na enkoda ne so age so mi azure teacher ni mapa or say everybody tia na enkoda ne so age so tia T no eda na tia men kama ne nkwachiri me kama na ekusi education minister director no hu say ekoso no ba no say there be o the outchere nkwada ne de enye no kore measure na we so ye T obewura classroom no konka nkyere nkwada ne se wonya no wrong osio papa no ojira no se anu fira aban mu ba osio masesa no se enye mi azore bio measure we so nye tia bio T. These were the teachers are I want us to see how serious this is. Teacher Nina or Obadian. Sabium prediasa, wabon. Nadia ya woman say. Teacher ni or person or professional with a teaching profession as a real professional. Now also say on person or license exams. Think about it. You are a teacher going to teach kids, and you don't want to be like, you don't want to write. You test your kids for exams, but you, the teacher, don't want to be examined. How does that even make sense? And NDC so say, you were teacher for baby was system no and shut down control license exams via ebinum wie SS na na yesu we dia so ye kakra no moto no koto baby okose private school bia no di be wura mu entinye teacher bia no ko training college so you train teacher ebinum fa kwan bibiri so no mo de ba mu that's adia edia ne ye de ba teacher fo ni na tro. They said the person we a doctor who got through standard test. They said the person we a lawyer who got through sadie no. Na emema wenya professional mpo wo free Ghana mpo eba Canada ya meka nkyere we say uni certificate as a teacher. Yenya NDC ya MP Ghana ye. A teacher near assessor or no na or yet exams me bad say on person a license exams and until be so edia tuaba edia tia by now or man license exams into a man be a professional teacher because or ye licensed. And this in ya by papa NDC and ya by ya a gene Ghana say percent my Ghana call. Like in any good direction. No. Because look how many years the crowd maybe did Ghana SWAT till date as we speak. There is nothing you can call their president's name and say, we. It benefits a Ghana. They don't have it. Share the page. The page, repost if you can. Let us see NDC for who they are, erudites. That is what I want Ghanaians to know. Mama ye who say NDC for ni bibi papa biya, one more by then, one more day babe kaya homa Ghana, etu nimpon say Ghana etu mpon. There is nothing like that with them. No.